Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is another great song from John Mellencamp. It's called Pink Houses. Pink Houses was released in October of 1983 and eventually peaked at number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100 in early 1984. So we're going to perform the song first and then we're going to break down the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn yet another great John Mellencamp song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
Man with a black cat lived in a black neighborhood. He's got interstate running through his front yard. You know he thinks he's got it so good. And there's woman in the kitchen cleaning up evening slop. And he looks at us, darling, remember when you could stop the clock? Ain't that America, you and me? Ain't that America, something to see, man? Ain't that America, home of the free? Little pink houses for you and me. You and me. Well, this young man in a t-shirt listens to a rock and roll station. He's got greasy hair, greasy smile. He said, Lord, this must be my destination. 'Cause it told me when I was younger, boy, you're gonna be president. Just like everything else, all those crazy dreams just kinda came and went. Ain't that America, you and me? Ain't that America, with something to see, babe? Ain't that America, home of the free? Little pink houses for you and me. For you and me. People and more people, what do they know? No, no. Go to work in some high rise and vacation down in the Gulf of Mexico. And there's winners and there's losers. They ain't no big deal, 'cause a simple man, baby, pays the thrills, the bills that kill. Ain't that America, you and me? Ain't that America, something to see, baby? Ain't that America, home of the free? Little pink houses for you and me. Oh, for you and me.
Okay, to get all the way through this great John Mellencamp song, you're going to need to know 4 chords. Let's have a closer look at them now. First chord that I use is an F-C chord. Now you can also use the regular F chord here, or you may choose to bar this one. However you're most comfortable playing an F chord, play it that way. Any version will work for this song. I also use a C chord, and its variation, I also use a C add 9. Whatever you choose to use. If you want to use both, go ahead. Both will work in this song as well. There's a G major, and then there's a D chord. So 4 chords, although there are a couple of variations that I use, will get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and have a closer look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. And in addition, we're going to have a look at that riff that's incorporated into the song as well. Stick around. Okay, after the opening riff, which we're going to have a closer look at in a few minutes, the song basically starts on the G major chord. As always, I'm going to put up the chord charts here. Follow along. Here we go, starting on the G major chord. Here we go. Well, this black man with a black cat, living in a black neighborhood. He's got an interstate running through his front yard. You know he thinks he's got it so good. But ain't that America? You and me. Ain't that America? Something to see, babe. Ain't that America? Home of the free. Little pink houses for you and me. For you and me. And that's really it. That's the bulk of the song. So let's take a couple of minutes and have a closer look at that riff that's incorporated into the song. Okay, that riff, I've certainly seen it played many different ways. Let me show you the version that I do. There's only 4 individual notes that you have to pick. You also have to incorporate the G major and the C, or the C add 9 in my case. So it basically starts on the G note, 6th string, 3rd fret. From here, you basically slide up to the 7th fret, which is a B, but you don't pick that. Should sound like this. And that's it. The trick here is at this point. From this position, you have to pick the 3rd string, which is the open G, and then back down to the G, the 3rd fret, 6th string. So let me show you. I'll slow it down. That's really it. It'll take some practice. From there, it's just a G to the C, and then back to the G. It's going to take some practice, but I know you'll be able to get it down. There you have it, John Mellencamp's Pink Houses. Thank you so much for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.